In this video, I'll show you how to change views in Smartsheet, helping you manage your projects more effectively. Start with Grid View, the classic spreadsheet format. It's perfect for detailed cell-by-cell editing and gives you a full overview of your data. Next, try Card View. Click the View drop-down in the toolbar and select Card View. Your rows turn into cards, making it easy to visualize tasks and workflows. Each card can be clicked to update details, ideal for agile teams tracking progress. Then there's Calendar View, which displays your task by date in weekly or monthly formats. It's great for scheduling and deadlines. Double-click any entry to edit it directly. Finally, explore Gantt View if your sheet has date columns and dependencies. This timeline view helps track project progress, adjust schedules, and see task dependencies at a glance. Switching between these views is simple using the toolbar selector. Experiment to see which view best suits your workflow, making project management smoother and more visual.